In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use your JBL Go 3 speaker. This will be primarily done using Bluetooth, so even though it has a USB-C port on the back, this port is only used for charging. You cannot use this port to connect to other devices, so the only way that allows you to connect and use the Go 3 is going to be through a Bluetooth connection. To do this, go into the Bluetooth settings of your preferred device, so for example a PC, a laptop, or something like a smartphone. And once you are inside of the settings, look for the Bluetooth category. So on a Windows PC or laptop, you will go to Settings and then Bluetooth and Devices, and you will find the option here. Make sure that it is enabled, so there will be a toggle to enable or disable it, and you can do the exact same steps on a smartphone. So go into the Settings, access the Bluetooth category, and enable it. With Bluetooth enabled, press the button that you see on the Go 3. If the Go 3 is powered on and you press the Bluetooth button, this LED will start blinking, indicating that pairing mode will be enabled. So with pairing mode enabled on the Go 3, you can now connect it to other devices, so it will begin looking for devices nearby. And if you choose the option to add a device, it is going to appear on the list of available devices. There's no secret to this. It will work with any other device that supports Bluetooth connectivity. And upon being connected, all of the audio being output on the device that you connected it with will go to the JBL Go 3. You will be able to change the volume, change the media, and so on, and it works across any device that has Bluetooth capabilities. So to keep it simple, enable Bluetooth on your preferred device. With Bluetooth enabled, press the Bluetooth button on the JBL Go 3 itself, and then choose the option to add a new device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.